Certainly. Here's a script for a YouTube video about the Singapore 20-cent 1987 coin, highlighting its value and the potential for it to be worth millions in circulation. Hi friends, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today I will tell you about Singapore 20-cent 1987 coin. Hey there, fellow coin enthusiasts. Welcome back to Numismatic Coin, where we explore the fascinating world of numismatics. Today, we have a real treasure in our hands, the Singapore 20-cent 1987 coin. You might be surprised to know that this unassuming coin could be worth millions, and we're about to dive deep into its history and value. Let's begin with some context. The Singapore 20-cent coin, minted in 1987, is a remarkable piece of numismatic history. It features the national emblem of Singapore, the lion head, on the obverse side and the denomination on the reverse. Now, you might be wondering, how can a coin from 1987 be worth millions? The secret lies in its rarity. You see, Singapore coins from the 1980s were not widely collected or preserved, which makes finding a well-preserved 1987 20-cent coin quite a challenge. Well-preserved 1987 20-cent coins. The condition and rarity of a coin significantly impact its value. If you happen to find a Singapore 20-cent 1987 coin in mint condition, with crisp details and no wear, you might be holding a numismatic gem. Rare Singapore coins. Now, let's talk numbers. In recent years, rare Singapore coins like the 1987 20-cent piece have been making headlines in the numismatic world. Some have fetched prices in the thousands, and a few exceptional pieces have even broken the $1 million mark at auctions, famous coin auctions. But here's the catch: finding one of these coins in such remarkable condition is no easy feat. The majority of coins from circulation have experienced wear and tear, which can significantly lower their value. 1987 20-cent coins. So, how can you determine if your 1987 20-cent coin is valuable? It's crucial to consider factors like its condition, rarity, and demand in the market. Numismatic experts and professional coin graders can help you assess your coin's worth. Value of this coin in between $4,000 to $7,000. It depends on coin's condition. Experts examining coins. In conclusion, the Singapore 20-cent 1987 coin might seem ordinary at first glance, but in the world of coin collecting, it's a hidden gem that could potentially be worth millions. If you're lucky enough to come across one in fantastic condition, you're holding a valuable piece of history. That wraps up our exploration of the Singapore 20-cent 1987 coin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of coins. And remember, your next discovery might just be $1 million coin away. Thanks for joining us, and happy collecting.